Hello, what's up guys? This is the William again with a fresh video, a new one at that. And in this video we're gonna be reviewing our trades for last week, bringing you up to speed with what happened all through last week with our signals, our educational content on this channel. So we're just gonna be going through the four trade setups we had posted last week, and then go through the results together, and then if there is need to hold those positions to your TP this week, we can still go ahead and hold them. But for now we're just going to be reviewing those four trades. Last week we began with the Euro JPY. That was the first trade setup posted on the channel, and so far so good. I'm scrolling towards that point. So far so good. We took our entry around the 147.319 level, and then our TP was set to 150.162 with our stop loss coming in at 146.488 level. Okay, so as I explained in previous videos last week, that I usually give my trades 100 pips stop, and then the TP could be on a ratio of say 1:2 or 1:3. That's a risk to reward. We could have a 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, even 5, depending on how the setup turns out. Alright, so but generally as well, I don't like closing my trades manually. Once in a position, I just let it run either to TP or to stop loss. But most of our trades we just end us or land us at that TP. Okay, so far so good. From our entry position, we've had over 100 pips from the Euro JPY, over 150 to be precise. We had over 150 pips in profit last week from the Euro JPY, and in an update that in a video with an update I made, I think that was on Friday, shortly before the close of market, I had advised that if you're not a swing trader who would like to see all these fluctuations in the market, you could have closed, as at that time, at the 149.64 level, because that was almost at the level I made that video. Alright, so we've been in profit, and we're very close to TP. I had taken partial profits on this position, and I'll leave the rest to run till TP. Okay, so that was the first trade, and then the second trade we posted was on the GBP, AUD. Alright, it was on the British pound against the Australian dollar. So for this particular trade setup, we had our entry around the 1.87328 level, with our stop coming in just about 100 pips below, and then our TP at the 1.89923 level. Alright, we had fluctuations in the market, price coming down to almost hit our stop loss, but it reversed, and with this reversal, price is going to go up to the 1.89922 level, which is our TP. So we're still in this trade, although not in profit, but we're still in this trade as of this moment. Alright, so let's do a quick review of the next trade we took, which was the GBP CHF. That was the next trade setup we had posted on the channel. Okay, so similarly for the on the GBP CHF, we had our entry around the 1.11924 level, just below this other block, around where you can see this cross arrow shaking around. Alright, so or just below that other block, with our stop loss coming in at 1.12633 level, and our take profit level at around 1.10715 level. Alright, so currently we had, as of last week, we had a few fluctuations around entry and stop loss level, but it didn't hit our stop loss. So right now we are still in the trade with a little profit, and I'm going to hold this trade to take profit. Okay, so the next trade we also looked at was the euro card. Okay, the euro card. So for the euro card, we had an entry around the 1.45963 level. So we also had a similar situation happening here, a situation similar to what happened with the GBP CHF. So we had a similar situation here, where price was just within our entry and our stop loss level. So we are very close to our entry level once again, and I'm going to be holding this trade to our take profit level at the 1.49135 level. So guys, our entry is just above this other block right here, and then our exit, our take profit will also be just above this other block, right there at the top. That's around the 1.48862 level. Alright guys, so I just said I should bring you guys up to speed with what had happened with all the signals we posted on our channel last week, and as you can see, most of them are in profit, and just with a slight difference in entry, just with a very slight differences in entry levels, because most of these trades, my actual entry level or points on my trading account are a bit different, very slightly different, because of, as of when the videos are made and when they are posted. So I could shoot the video, since these sessions aren't live, and those time lags could contribute to having the best of entries or not entering as at when I also enter the trade. So bear it in mind that these positions are in profit, although not on this review, but I'll be posting another video showing my trading account, which will validate signals. Alright, so guys, enjoy the market, and this week expect more trade setups from us. Again, remember that whatever we do on this channel, every publication in this channel is not financial advice. They are just purely for educational purposes, entirely for educational purposes. But as well, you can support this channel by subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications, so that similar videos or trade setups once dropped will be available to you. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching, and again, trade carefully and always manage risk reasonably. Thank you, and have a great trading week ahead.